Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if new here. My name is Clara. I'm a primary school teacher in New Zealand. Today, I'll talk to you about how and where to find teaching jobs in New Zealand. That is, if you already know that you are qualified to teach here. If not, check out my other video on how you can get your qualifications assessed by NZQA. Okay, now I'll show you what website I normally use to look for a job, for a teaching job in New Zealand. So first up, I go into Google, I look up Education Gazette, enter, then it takes you to this page. Click on Vacancies, Education Gazette. Alright, so once you're already on this page, you can use filters to make it more straightforward. So for regions and districts, you could click on the box and it will show you only New Zealand nationwide. You can actually type in the region where you want to teach in. Say for example, Auckland. I type in Auckland and I click on it. You can also add another district or region if you want, but at the moment I'll just keep it at that. Then go into sectors and roles, click in the box. It will show you a few things here, but for me I'm only looking for basically primary and intermediate, so I click on this, move on to learning areas and strands, select a learning area. The New Zealand curriculum is what we use in primary and high school. However, Te Marutanga o Aotearoa is used in Māori medium schools. Te Whāreke is for ECE. So what's applicable for me is the New Zealand curriculum. So I click on that, move on to position type, select whether it's full-time or part-time that you're looking for. So I click full-time, right, and that's pretty much done. Down here where it says keyword or vacancy reference, yeah, ignore that unless you know the exact school you want to apply in. And if you're a beginning teacher, that is, if you've been teaching for 2 years or it's your first year of teaching, then you click on suitable for beginning teachers, so you have a more filtered, more appropriate option. Then go into search. Right, and scroll down until you can see a job posting that you might be interested in. Say for example, over here, Kelston School. If you're interested in it, you can click on teacher. Takes you to this page where it tells you the details basically of the job. So it's full-time, fixed term, start date, end date, and it's only maternity leave. Down here it will show you how to apply, send your CV to whoever, could be the principal, could be the principal's PA or secretary. Okay, down here it shows you the school details. Right, so that's basically it for Education Gazette. The best time to look for a job, especially if you're looking for a job for a new year, is around October, November, or December, because that's when schools start posting. On top of Education Gazette, there are other job sites that you can use to look for teaching jobs in New Zealand. I'll show you very shortly. Here are some other websites where you can look for teaching jobs in New Zealand. First is Trade Me. So look up teaching jobs, Trade Me. Then this shows up. Click on that, or you could go jobs in Auckland, jobs in Christchurch, say Auckland. Okay, it's not letting me. You could also go into Seek Teaching Vacancies New Zealand, click on that, and here are some teaching jobs that you can apply for. But personally, I use Education Gazette, it's more straightforward. On top of Education Gazette, Trade Me, or Seek, you can also go into School Jobs New Zealand. As you can see here, School Jobs New Zealand vacancies, click on that and it takes you to this page. Now down here in these boxes, you can select location, so where you want to go, say Auckland, classification, what sector you're going to be teaching in, say teaching primary, job type, is it going to be full-time, fixed term, or permanent part-time, or whatever you want to choose. So say permanent full-time. I don't know the job number or title, so I'm just gonna leave it. And or maybe you can put teacher there and search. No, it's not working. Okay, get rid of teacher and just go search. Right, it's come up with 1 because at the moment employers are not really looking for teachers because we've just started term 2. But over here, in the way it says register your interest for future vacancies for 2023. So there we are. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'll see you next time.